Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are well and love for all my kids. And thanks for the overwhelming response that I am getting. So today we'll be doing a craft activity based on Lord Ganesha. We all know that this month we'll be celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. So based on that I have prepared some activity for the kids to get involved with this Ganesh Chaturthi. I'll show you first what we'll require for that. First we need a cardboard. I have cut it out from any box, what you use. This kind of a cardboard we need. This is 6" by 4" cardboard, and I have cut out a paper. This is a pastel paper. So I have cut out a paper of the same size, and we need some popsicle sticks, and I have cut out the Ganesha idol also. That I'll show when I'll paste it. You'll be able to see how I have cut it out, and some decorative stones for this, and of course scissors, Fevicol and felt pen. So we'll directly move on to the craft activity right now. First I'll put the Fevicol on the cardboard and I'll paste the pastel paper. Now we'll put a border to this paper, which I have already cut out the border. Now the Ganesha, we'll start with this. Now the ears of the Ganesha. Now we'll stick the lower part. We'll put it this way, and the shoes. And the hand. Now the Ganpati idol is ready over here. Now we'll decorate it a little more with this kind of decorative stones. You can decorate it anyway. I'll put a star on Ganpati's head like this, and some stones over here. You can decorate it as you like, but I have kept it simple. And now we'll make the frame. After all these things dries up, now we'll turn it back and take the popsicle sticks and make the frame. We'll put it this way, but I need some Fevicol again. Once you have put the red ones, now you put this. Stick it properly with Fevicol and see the measurement. Just check this whether both are same. Again, check the gap and the measurement and put it properly like this. Once you are done, let it dry for some time, then put one more paper over this. Beautiful frame for Ganpati ji is ready. Let your child learn something about Lord Ganesha. You can tell him some story about Lord Ganesha and you can make him do this. Enjoy this activity and let me know. Please put your comments in the comment section and like, share and subscribe my channel.